Guevara Rizaldi. I-present ko po ngayon yung function ng analog camera. The first one is shutter. Shutter photography device through which lens aperture of the camera is open to admit light and expose the film or the electronic image sensor of the digital camera. Then one is film advance. Film advance lever used to rotate the film inside the camera in order to take a new picture. The third one is the rewind lever, mechanism used to rewind the film back into the canister. Shutter release button, the button you press that opens the shutter and takes the photograph. F-stop is the term used to denote aperture measurement on your camera. The aperture controls the amount of light that enters of the camera lens and is measured in f-stop. And the focusing ring. Focusing ring is this is a section of the lens that rotates to allow a photographer to focus the image. This ring is moved by a small motor with the lens wherever you press the shutter release button, up, way, down. For manual focus, you will turn the ring until the image comes into focus. Dito na po tayo sa camera back po. No? Camera back is a device that attaches to the back of the camera in a place of traditional negative film holder and contains an electronic image sensor. Take up spool, an empty spool that picks up the film in the camera after the film has been exposed to light. Film compartment of the camera. In film cameras, there is a compartment in the back of the camera to hold the film. This compartment has a space for the film canisters, brackets, to guide the film across the exposure area, a pressure plate to tighten the film, and a reel to wind the film.